What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, January 9th, 2019. I hope you're doing well. I come with this technical analysis with a non-bias approach. That means we're going to look at the upside, we're going to look at the downside, and we're going to evaluate the potential of Bitcoin in both directions. That's my job. If you see videos or technical analysts that are predicting things, mainly bullish, especially in terms of this inverse head and shoulders, be careful. Be careful, because the reality is nobody knows what will happen. However, the data that we have here in this technical analysis is extremely valuable for you in making decisions on how to move forward with your portfolio, how to analyze your risk tolerance, and really just have a wise approach to the markets. So it is valuable. Nobody knows what direction Bitcoin will go at this moment. But we have some really strong indicators to look at, both on the upside and downside in this video. So let's talk about it right now. So as you see in this zoomed out daily chart, we have potential upside targets and a downside target. We're talking $2,500 versus around $5,700. Before we jump into that, I want to talk about something. The RSI, momentum oscillator, extremely important. We all know the story of Bitcoin throughout this year, throughout this bear market, has been continued rejection right here at the blue line, the 50 EMA. As you remember, the $6,000 area didn't hold. We broke through the $6,000 area after this final rejection at the 50 EMA. If we look at the momentum oscillator, and we've been talking about this as of recently, a very important channel on the oscillator, a channel of resistance, we can see something. So this rejection, this 50 EMA rejection we just saw, where we broke $6,000, we have this like 55 to 60 channel on the RSI, a very key channel to watch for in terms of resistance for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin at the 50 EMA again, not breaking through it as of yet. Most recent rejection as of the last few days, and you can see it illustrated on the RSI, the momentum of Bitcoin. So right now, we have a little bit of an uptick happening on Bitcoin. Let's see if we can break at least this 55 to 60 area and make a run at the 50 EMA on the daily. It's such an important indicator to watch. You can track the momentum of Bitcoin on this RSI chart. So if you're into charts, bring up TradingView, check it out. Watch it. Right now, you can see we have some higher lows for Bitcoin out of its bottom, which is good. And we want to see that continued support, that continued trend. But a very key area to look for is this 50 EMA on the daily in confluence, really with this 55 to 60 channel on the RSI. Huge area of resistance. Keep an eye on it. Here we are zoomed in on Bitcoin on the daily chart. Sorry, this is the 4-hour chart. And here is our symmetrical triangle that really will help tell the story of what direction Bitcoin tests and breaks. And there's two really key things happening. Obviously, we have around 3 touches on the bottom of symmetrical triangle, 2 on the top. So that's 5 touches total. That's what creates a symmetrical triangle. This is a short-term symmetrical triangle with, nothing crazy in terms of breakout targets, right? So on the upside, a breakout target of around 3 to 4%. And on the downside, same thing, going down to around $3,800. Now, couple things to look for. As you see, if we hit our breakout target on the upside, we will have broken the neckline. That's this orange line in this long-term inverse head and shoulders. We will have broken it. That is huge. We also will be, if you go to the daily chart, let's go to the daily chart real quick, and let's see where that 50 EMA line is right now. Let's zoom in. And this 50 EMA line, this blue line right now, around 41.12. So if we hit our target, we will be testing and just breaking the 41.12 50 EMA. Huge area of resistance for Bitcoin. So we want to watch the symmetrical triangle, see if we get a break on the upside. On the downside, something to look out for is this most recent on the 4-hour chart. 50 EMA cross just happened today. 50 EMA cross above the 200 EMA. This blue line crossing above the 200 EMA. That's huge on the short term for Bitcoin. It's a stepping stone to success. It's a stepping stone of the bulls. But it's also where we've seen continued rejection. This 50 EMA could not hold above the 200 EMA through this whole bear market. It continually happens. You can go back to the charts and watch. And that may happen if we get a breakdown below the symmetrical triangle. So just a couple really simple things to look out for, to watch. These indicators are very simple to pull up on TradingView, a mobile app, if you want to try that out. But that's what I'm watching. I wanted to do a quick video illustrating what this looks like on the charts and give you some data that can help you maybe wait before you make a decision. It's all about confirmations, and that's what we're looking for right now. We don't have a confirmation yet, but you can see we're in that 75% to the apex right now. So I imagine we'll get something in the next few hours into tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the channel. I will see you all in the next video. Have an awesome day, and God bless.